lalaki ka eh. May always
Oh my
on my
God.
mind.
Makasa sa akin.
Wala ko pakialam sa'yo.
Kaya na.
Alam na alam mo. Alam na alam. What? Ano to?
Oh, how am I supposed to open this?
Lalaki ka eh. Kakabal mo ang breast. Tama na.
Sige, wala ko nakakakuha.
Wala lagi may pakialam ni mo, girl.
Gago.
Gago, take cover, guys.
Ano yung basurahan niya?
Oh, guys. Ice cream commentary. Let's go. For me, 0 out of 10.
Biambi na na, be.
For me, it's like 9
Is this one, man? Is this one? Is this one? Okay, ano man? Anong opinion mo?
Does it
Okay lang.
matter?
Anyways, let's move on to the opinion of people who actually matters. Girl, no. 8 out of 10.
Why?
Overrated. Excuse me, salita ka ba? So, feel mo may right kang magsalita.
Naghinga lang nga, di ba?
So you're telling me just because I'm gay, I don't have a...
Wala, oo.
Wala. Boy, hawakan mo na yan. Lalaki ka eh.
Uy ba?
Ay, Every-
Hindi, ibilin mo ka na mulakan.
gago, tika hadlok. Ano yung tigas sa pita? What are you doing?
Hindi rin ba?